Namaste, travelers. India, with its rich history, diverse culture, and stunning landscapes, is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be explored. Join us as we unveil the top 10 places to visit in India this April and discover their highlights.
April is the perfect time to embark on a spiritual journey in Rishikesh, nestled in the foothills of the Himalayas. Attend the annual International Yoga Festival and rejuvenate your mind, body, and soul amidst serene surroundings. Don't miss the chance to go river rafting on the Ganges River for an adrenaline-pumping adventure. Experience the vibrant culture and regal heritage of Rajasthan in Jaipur, the Pink City. April offers pleasant weather for exploring majestic forts like Amer Fort and Nahargarh Fort, as well as strolling through bustling bazaars filled with traditional handicrafts and colorful textiles. Escape to the picturesque tea plantations of Munnar in April, when the weather is cool and the hills are blanketed in lush greenery. Trek through scenic trails, visit tea estates to learn about the tea-making process, and unwind amidst the tranquility of nature. Step back in time amidst the ancient ruins of Hampi, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Explore magnificent temples such as Virupaksha Temple and Vittala Temple, and marvel at the intricate carvings that depict tales from Hindu mythology. April offers mild temperatures for exploring this archaeological wonderland. Sip on aromatic Darjeeling tea amidst breathtaking views of the Himalayas in April. Take a ride on the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, also known as the toy train, and journey through scenic landscapes dotted with tea gardens and quaint hill stations. Experience the spiritual essence of India in Varanasi, the oldest inhabited city in the world. Witness mesmerizing Ganga Aarti ceremonies along the ghats of the Ganges River, take a boat ride at Simrise to soak in the mystical atmosphere, and explore narrow lanes filled with ancient temples and bustling markets. Indulge in royal luxury amidst the romantic lakes of Udaipur, the Venice of the East. April offers pleasant weather for exploring ornate palaces like City Palace and enjoying boat rides on Lake Pichola. Don't miss the chance to witness traditional Rajasthani dance performances and savor authentic Rajasthani cuisine. April marks the end of the tourist season in Goa, making it the perfect time to visit for a laid-back beach vacation. Relax on pristine beaches like Palolem and Anjuna, indulge in water sports, and immerse yourself in the vibrant nightlife of Goa's beach shacks and clubs. Embark on a wildlife safari in Kaziranga National Park to spot the iconic one-horned rhinoceros in its natural habitat. April offers ideal conditions for wildlife viewing, with lush green landscapes and a plethora of bird species, including the endangered Bengal florican. At the top of our list is Amritsar, the spiritual and cultural heart of Punjab. Pay your respects at the Golden Temple, savor authentic Punjabi cuisine, and witness the patriotic fervor at the Wadha border ceremony. That concludes our countdown of the top 10 places to visit in April in India. Which destination are you adding to your travel bucket list? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration.